Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video to do the fingerprint speed test unlock comparison between the Oneplus Nord 2 versus the Realme X7 Max device. So let's see which phone will be able to unlock faster. And I'm really excited to test because the Oneplus Nord 2 just received the software update, and that is the reason why I want to test this kind of comparison side by side. And both phones, they do have the in-display fingerprint scanner. Let's see friends which phone will be able to unlock faster this time. And I need to do this kind of testing for the next couple of days in the Oneplus Nord 2 just to keep you posted what is happening, because few of the users, they did mention that the fingerprint recognition is not working properly sometimes, not all the time, sometimes. I need to test it friends. Again, I'll be coming back with another video as well reviewing about this issue. Right now let's see which phone will be able to unlock faster. 1, 2, 3. As you can see friends, I'm trying to use the animations in both phones. Let me need to change the phones as well from one hand to other hand so you'll be able to understand clearly. As you can see right now. So now I'll try to do this kind of fingerprint speed test in very slow motion, so then you will be able to understand which phone is unlocking faster. So right now, as you can see friends, this is a slow motion video which I'm trying to play between both phones. So now you'll be able to see the clear difference what is happening and which phone is trying to unlock faster than other phone. You can see clearly. So let me know in the comment section below friends which phone you think the unlocking faster. So in my experience, I need to use the Oneplus Nord 2 for the next couple of days to test whether it's working properly or not. So then I can definitely decide whether it's having any kind of issues or not. So make sure to stay tuned for those videos. In case if you want more details, let me know in the comment section below what are other videos you want me to compare on this device. So that's it friends. Again, I'll be back. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video. This is a quick comparison between both phones. In case if you want me to do any other comparison between these two devices, let me know in the comment section below. So right now I'm testing the recent software update in this phone, so I'll be able to update you regarding the battery and performance only after a couple of days of using this device. So meanwhile, stay tuned by subscribing to my channel and follow me regularly for regular content on this Oneplus Nord 2 phone. And thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.